As you see guys, that the Bitcoin daily candle here, it finished. Today Bitcoin, it give us here a red candle here. Oh, what that indicating? Same thing, we still have here the down channel like that. We touch the top of it here. Look at it, we touch it 3 times. That the first time, that the second time, and that the third time. Like how it happened here in the past. We touch it, we fall down. We touch it here, we fall down. So based on the past, it looks like the Bitcoin going to do the same thing, and we are going to fall down to touch the lower of that channel. But there is a caveat here. We need to look at it today, and that's what we are going to discuss in today's video. Guys, don't forget the like button, and if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. If you want to be updated more quicker, you can join our free Discord, our free Telegram. The links of them are down in the description of that video. You can join our community there, and you're going to be updated more quicker than here in YouTube. That of course, if you want. Now here guys, as we told you, the Bitcoin is touch here, that's setting. Look at it, it's being touched here, that the third time. Now technically, if we look in based on the past, we fall down, but now let's see what's going to happen. As we told you before, you remember what else we showed you before here, exactly in that place. We show you we got here that inside bar here, the one here, that green one. Well, now we haven't broken the lower of it, that means there is nothing changed here. I will not get surprised if I saw the Bitcoin maybe to come back to break the top of that flag here, because that down channel here, you can see it like a up or a bullish flag here. If it's getting broke above, that means maybe Bitcoin is going to go more higher. That's possible. We got something else here in Bitcoin. Let me show it to you. Is it that one here? The Bitcoin based on volume profile here. As you see, also we are in a very stronger zone, or a very stronger supply and demand zone, or a very stronger support and resistance. As you see it here, guys. Exactly the zone, I can tell it to you, is it at 104,661. That's a very stronger zone. Plus, we are in the 50 and 20 moving average here in daily. So till now, there is nothing 100%. We need to wait if it's going to break that 20 moving average down here. Maybe it's going to go back to the 100 and the 200 moving average. If it doesn't, maybe from that 50 moving average, it might to go more higher. Even that one is possible. So all the scenarios now is possible. I think I explained everything to you here about Bitcoin in daily. Now, let's go into see liquidity heat map, Bitcoin sentiment, fair gradient index, and Bitcoin ETF, plus the coming news. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are, guys, based on fair and grid index, as you see it here. Today, the grid is a little bit higher, 63. Let's see if it's going to fall down like as we told you before, to that zone here, where is the orange. At this time, too much grid, so you need to be careful, my friend. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin ETF, what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, that the Bitcoin ETF for today. As you see, that's what happened today. Grayscale today, they sold 1.12k Bitcoin. ARK Investment, they sell today 252 Bitcoin. BITB, they sold 212 Bitcoin. That meant today it being an outflow. All of them they being selling today. As you see, the total of outflow from those Bitcoin ETF, 1.58k Bitcoin. But we don't got the data yet of our friend BlackRock, plus even Fidelity, so we need to wait them. I will show it to you tomorrow. Now let's go into see liquidity heatmap, what it's telling us today. Here we are, guys, based on liquidity heatmap, as you see, the one here, that 24 hours, it's showing to us we got some liquidity above and some liquidity down here. So we need to see if it's going to go down to take that liquidity down, or to grab that liquidity down, or it's going to go back above to grab that one above. Now, to get more clear picture, we need to go from here, from 24 hours to weekly, as every time what else we been doing. And in weekly, guys, we got a different picture. We don't got a lot of stops down here or liquidity down here, but we got a lot above here, exactly at that zone between 109 till 111k. Let's see now which one is going to go, or which direction is going to go. There is one of two, either to fall down to liquidate those ones, or to go above to liquidate those ones here. Yes, I'm so sorry. There is a lot of things I can say it here. I'm so sorry about that. Now, either it's going to come back to liquidate those ones or those ones here. If you want the exact direction, we told you what to do. All the links, you can find them down. Now, let's go into see the coming news of today. Coming news of today, guys, as you see it today, that the coming news, or the calendar or economical calendar of today. As you see, we got EDP non-farm employment change is going to come 12:15 minutes. Then we got crude oil inventory is going to come at 2:30. Those ones, the only one who can affect the market is that ADP non-farm employment change. Over here is our friend, the table of us. We're looking at it every day here in that channel. Look at it, guys. Today, the Nasdaq, it closed the day red. The SP 500 closed the day red. The Dow Jones closed the day green. But if you see in here, not a huge move. I'm talking about yesterday. 0.82, 0.11, 0.12%. That man, there is no volatility. Down here, our friend, the VIX, as you see it, 16.83. That man, everything still looking normal. Just hold. It's left for it more room till you reach to 12. That's the right time for you to start thinking of to take the next action, my friend. I think I explained everything. Now let's go to see Bitcoin is doing today in 12 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Here in Bitcoin 12-hour chart, Bitcoin here, it's breaking for us. The 100, the 50, the 20 moving average here, all of them being together. The only thing, you need to look at that very stronger zone here in the volume profile. As you see it, may I draw it here with green. You need to look after it what the Bitcoin going to do here, because it look like now the Bitcoin is going back to touch the 200 moving average, which is down here exactly at 97,641. But everything can happen, guys. Let me show you the levels. You need to look close at them. Let me show it to you. Levels stay in the same levels, guys. That level here, 106, 990, we got that zone here, 102, 603, and we got that one down here, 98, 840. Those ones, the three levels, you need to look close at them for today. Which one being touched, you need to take some actions there. If you want exactly, we told you what to do. Everything is it down, my friend. No more explication than that. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours chart. Let me show it to you. Here we are in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. Here Bitcoin in 4 hours time frame. Bitcoin here, it gives us here a double top here and breaking here, same like how it happened in all the past, guys. Look at it, same thing. We touch the top of that down channel, we fall down. We touch it here, we fall down. Now we touch it here. I think you know what's going to happen in the coming days. Look at it, guys, like that. It's happened every time. Same thing is going to happen here. Only thing now, also we are in a very stronger zone in daily. Even here, without to go to daily, without nothing. Look at it, guys, here. If we came and we take it off that down channel here, and you came and you do like that with me. You see that zone here where we are? We touch it here before, we fall down, we touch it here, we fall down, we touch it here, we fall down. Now we touch it again. Let's see what's going to happen and how is that market going to react to that very stronger zone again. Another thing very, very important here, let me show it to you. If we came and we zoom in like that, what you seeing, guys, that's a M or double top here. As you see it here, that one here is a M. That M is getting broke here. What that meant to you, each man, you need to calculate it down here at that zone here. That where is that Bitcoin going, guys? Going to go like that to touch that low here, exactly like that. Me and the people that are with me, we take some action today based on that. Even you can be one of the people with us. You can join our community if you want. We got something else here in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. Let me show it to you. Is it that one here? Look at that, the Bitcoin, it's breaking here, or is it here in 4 hours in the 200 moving average and 100 moving average? That's a very stronger zone. I will not get surprised if I saw it from here going back to touch that 50 moving average. Second scenario, from here, going to break that 200 moving average and it's going to continue its way down here to 98k or something like that. Even that one is possible. So also we are ready for all scenarios. We told you what to do. Now let me show you our indicator what it's saying today, guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, is enter again to a zone where is the bears they controlling. That means technically that market is it. Sentiment of it, is it in a bear market? But everything can change, guys, because that market doesn't got volatility. So you need to be careful about the coming days, what they are going to do. That's the only things I can tell you. But based on our indicator here, which is the normal RSI, guys, as you see it, also we enter official to a bear market. So I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours time frame, guys. Let me show it to you. Here we are, guys, in the Ethereum, same thing, nothing changed. We got here that double top here, as you see it. Me and the people that are with me, also we're taking an action based on that one here is getting broke. We're taking some actions here. Why? Because that Ethereum has got a very stronger zone here and couldn't break it. Look at it, guys, how many times it touched and couldn't break it. And that's the zone, guys. If you came here and you see it with me, that one here, Look at it, how many times it touched it from when it used to be the Ethereum above. Now, when it fell down, it came back, it tested here, and couldn't break it again. Now, let's see if that Ethereum going to come back to that low here. That possible. Second scenario is going to test it again. Even that one, it's possible. We got something else here in the Ethereum in daily time frame, guys. Let me show it to you. The Ethereum here, look at it, guys. He couldn't break that 200 moving average here. Look at it, how many times it touched here, that very stronger zone based on the volume profile here. Now let's see if that Ethereum going to fall down to test that 100 moving average, which is exactly at 2178. That possible, guys, like that. Second scenario, as me I told you, maybe from here going to come back to test to break that 200 moving average. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in the Ethereum, guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it came back again, same like the Bitcoin, same thing. Our indicator or the RSI here, it's entered to a zone where is the bears they controlling. That's when technically, based on the indicator here, also we are in a bear market, but everything can happen, guys. It might from here to come back above. So if you enter or you try to do something, do it at your own. I'm not here to give you any advices to enter long or to enter short. So you need to be careful, my friend. Now, let's go into see the Sol or Solana we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. Let's go in there. Here we are in the Sol, guys. The Sol here in 4 hours, same thing. Look at it. Came here. It's breaking here. Me and the people we are with me, we take some action here. Let's see what's going to happen here. If it's going to came down to touch that zone here, that one here, that possible because also we're breaking here, guys. You see it here. So technically it's need to come down to touch that zone here exactly at 128. That number one scenario. Second scenario, what is it? If you came and you're looking with me here, that zone here where we are now is a very stronger zone. You see it, guys, how many times it's been touched here, that zone. Look at it. We came back, we tested again. Even that one is possible. It might from here to come back above because if you're looking with me here, it might that Sol to give you a big pattern here, which is that one here. As you see it here, that one is going to be a head and shoulder here. If that completed and that Sol came back above to that zone here, 158, something like that. Which zone? Let me show you in daily clear picture. Let me show it to you. Here in daily, guys, the Sol, look at it, is it in a very stronger zone in that 100 moving average, but it's breaking the 100 and now we're holding the Sol is the 20 moving average plus that very stronger zone here as we show you before. And people that are with me, they remember when I show you here that head and shoulder like that, and I told is going to come back here, then from here we're going to try to catch from there or to take some action from there. That's what happened exactly, guys. Look at it, it came a touch here that 50 moving average. Me personally, I'll take some action from here till down here. If you want to see behind the scene what else we're doing, everything is it down in the description of that video. All the links of me, you can find them there. Now here, what is it, the view? Let's see if that one here going to break that down or that uptrend here. I'm talking here about daily, guys. If it's break it here, we're going to fall down more because if you're looking with me here in daily, we still have here the down channel as we've been talking about. You remember it or not, that the down channel, we touch the top of it here. Let's see if it's going to fall down to touch the lower of it here. Even that one is possible, guys. So everything is in front of you. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in the Sol. Our indicator, guys, here in the Sol, it came here, it touched extreme overbought area. Now we try to fall down here, but we need to look at that zone here, that one, same like is it here. Last time when we touch here, it pumped. Now we are in the same level, guys. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming days because it might, that's all to do like that to give you high, low, another high, low, and it might from here to give you a new high. Even that one, it's possible. So everything is in front of you, guys. We give you the first scenario and the second scenario or the bullish scenario and the bearish scenario. Now let's go into see the XRP what it's doing today in 4 hours, guys. Let me show it to you. Here we are in the XRP, guys. XRP, same thing here. Look at it, that the uptrend here. Also, we haven't taken any action in the XRP today because also we got already other deals, so we can add more. Now, what is it, the view? We need to see what's going to happen here. If we lower the other deals, maybe we can do something here with the XRP. But the XRP also being saying that to you. We told you the XRP is it in a bearish downtrend. There is nothing changed here. Now what is it, the view? Look at it, guys. Like that. It's breaking here. Technically telling you is going to go down to that zone here, which is exactly at 1.92. And also we're going to see what's going to happen in the coming days or coming hours. That's for bearish scenario. For bullish scenario, is it that zone here? That one here, it's need to be broke, guys. That one here, exactly at 2.30. It need to be broke, and the XRP going to give you here a big head and shoulder like that, guys. Even that one, it's possible. Let me show you the XRP in daily time frame. We got something else there. Let me show it to you. Here in daily time frame, guys, look at it here. Same like how it happened here in the past. It happened even today here. So based on the past here, when we touch here that zone, we fall down. Same thing. Let's see what's going to happen here for that XRP. Also, we've been talking with you. We told you the XRP here, based on those moving averages here and based on the history, when all the moving averages are below the 200 moving average, it means you are in a bearish sign. So everything is in front of you, guys. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it touched extreme overbought area. Look at it. Based on the history, we touched that very stronger zone. Look at it, guys, here. Same thing happened every time, and the history is repeating itself. Now, what is it? The view now is it stuck here at that zone where there is no one controlling, no bulls, no bears. We need to wait it to enter down here to that zone where the bears they controlling. Then also we're going to take a decision based on that. That's the only things I can tell you guys. Now let's go into see it Bitcoin is doing today in 30-minute time frame, guys. Let me show it to you. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes for intraday. Here, same thing. People, they are in our community, they spot that one here. We been here talking about we got here a bearish divergence, and based on the history, same thing happened here. Look at it. Now, what is it? The view. Also, we take some action from here, and we do even from here today. Now, the same thing. We still have here the downtrend here, that one here. You need to focus about it. What's going to happen here? If the market came and do like that and breaking the downtrend, maybe it's going to come back again to that zone here, 108k. That's possible. Second scenario, because you need to wait here a price action, guys. Second scenario, what is it? Is it here market try to give you here like a smaller double bottom? You wait it to be broke or to break the neckline of the double bottom and try to take some action based on that. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. Here we are, guys. You see here that the clear bearish divergence here. See it here. I'm talking here about the past that maybe yesterday or before yesterday. Look at it here. And at the double top, it came here. It's breaking the neckline here. That way also, we take some action there. Now here, based on our indicator, also we are below that zone here. That means technically here, only bulls who controlling that market. There is nothing yet, guys, here. So that's it for that video, guys. And please, guys, understand that the only things we can give you here. If you want more, you can join our community to see us, what we're doing behind the scene. All the links of us are down. So that's it for that video, guys. See you in another video. Bye for now.